Hello, fan collectors. Braxton the Vintage Fanman here. So what we have here today is a chrome Envirofan Silverline ceiling fan. I got this from Tommy back in 2021. I've had it since, and I still have it, obviously, because I make a video of it. Yeah, it was a good deal. It's gotten a little bit banged up since I got it. For one, this bottom plate piece on the motor got scratched up, and what is it? And it fell off the shelf one day. So there's a dent on on the motor, but besides that, it's still in mostly good shape. So yeah, let's go and put it on low. It's on a rotary dial, which has 2 off positions, which is weird. It did not come with a control when I got it though, because it really wasn't new. It was whatever. It was thinking it did have the things on between the blades, and it had a piece on the bottom of the motor. And stupid me decided to go ahead and take them off. So yeah. I think it was about a month ago when it fell off the shelf. That's outside. What is yours, medium? I can probably get the control. Coming a little bit. I really need to fix this thing. See if I can fix it. And high. Still runs at its top speed, so we're good there. Sorry about that. Allergies. That time of year. Yeah, just spin down. Now, I have no patience for spin down on this thing right now, so I'm going to use a towel to stop it. And no, it's not dirty because of all the stains. There's stain marks on it. Yeah, I have no patience for the spin down on this thing. It takes forever. Considering it's the last fan to stop on the display, and it takes a couple minutes after everything stops. So, yeah, it's steel on. By the way, before I forget, it's steel on. Steel blades. I don't know if the motor. I think it's aluminum. I don't know. Not really good with the metals yet. Anyway, 0 to high. And it does have a bad hum due to what it's been through. So. It wasn't as audible this time though. Maybe because the AC is on. Okay amount of air, but not too much. well, that's all I got for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, have a great rest of your day, folks. And more videos to come, and peace.